So the situation on ground is that 9 states account for about 80% of all COVID cases in our country. That's the situation as of now. In the past 2 days, there have been about 2 lakh COVID cases, and that's again a cause for very serious concern. The centre says the states, at least some of them, are not following the laid out procedure. Instead, they're trying to mislead people by saying that vaccination needs to be open to all, while not vaccinating all that they're supposed to vaccinate in the existing situation and the scenario. Let's take a look at this report.
India's surge of cases of COVID-19 has been exponential in the last 1 month. The daily cases are hovering around the 1 lakh mark. As India battles the second wave, states have been demanding vaccination for all. The opposition-ruled states which are witnessing a surge in COVID cases have been vocal in this demand. Maharashtra Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray wrote a letter to Prime Minister Narendra Modi on the 5th of April requesting him to open up vaccination for all above the age of 25 years in the state.
स्वतः माननीय पंतप्रधानांनी सांगितलं की एक गोष्ट लक्षात घ्या की लस घेतली म्हणजे कोविड होणार नाही अशातला भाग नाहीये. रुग्णवाढ थांबवण्यासाठी अजून कोणी उपाय सांगत नाहीये. काय उपाय? उपाय नाहीये. पण लसीकरण करा. लसीकरण करतो आहोत.
A similar letter was shot off by Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal demanding vaccination for all, claiming that it will end the hesitation among people and increase the number of those who are vaccinated.
45 साल की उम्र वाला क्लॉज हटा के और सारी जनता को एक साथ वैक्सीनेट युद्ध स्तर के ऊपर वैक्सीनेशन करने का कार्य कर देना चाहिए ताकि हमें सबको इससे निजात मिल सके, कोरोना से निजात मिल सके. तो मैं उम्मीद करता हूं कि केंद्र सरकार इसको पूरे गौर करेगी और युद्ध स्तर के ऊपर राज्य सरकारों को अपने स्तर पे वैक्सीनेशन करने की इजाजत देगी.
Rahul Gandhi too joined in the chorus, saying that it's ridiculous to debate the needs and wants of a vaccine. The Congress MP asserted that every Indian deserves a chance to a safe life. The demand is now snowballing into a centre versus states flashpoint as the government is still reluctant.
जब वक्त आएगा कि यह और खुलना चाहिए, जब हम अच्छे पूरी तरह से आगे बढ़ रहे हैं, कवरेज अच्छा देंगे, तो वो भी हो जाएगा.
The Government of India has flagged off fraudulent vaccine registrations. The Union Health Secretary has said there should be a penalty imposed. Also, disempanelment of the vaccination site if it is found to be registering those people who are not eligible to take the vaccine right now. Vaccine is a precious commodity and it should be given to people who need it the most and not the ones who want it.
But experts argue otherwise. They say India must unlock its vaccination program for all ages, and here's why. India's manufacturing capacity is enviable. It prides in being the pharmacy to the world. Serum Institute of India is the largest vaccine manufacturing company in the world. India has supplied vaccines to over 76 countries as part of Vaccine Maitri. Experts say that approvals for vaccines in the pipeline must be expedited and the push should be to vaccinate all adults. The Indian Medical Association has written to the Prime Minister asking for vaccination to be opened up for all those who are above the age of 18 years.
The truth is that young people are the real spreaders of COVID. So unless they are vaccinated, they will continue to spread the disease.
The government says that globally such vaccination drives have only one goal: to curb deaths of the most vulnerable. But this is an unusual situation, and should not an unusual situation demand an extraordinary response? Especially because we have the vaccine now, and it is another arsenal in India's armour in fighting coronavirus. With Sneha Mordani in Delhi, Bureau Report, India Today.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.